Yo, what up? Good morning, GM. Friday. Woo! Friday. Fucking Friday. August 17th, 15th, 2025. Is that another beautiful day to have a beautiful day? I got my co-host in the house, Tyler. Good morning. How you doing today? Good morning.
I'm good. It's another Friday and the Golden Bull. I will say I'm a bit surprised. I thought when Kobe changed his PFP, I thought we were going up only from that point forward.
Same.
And we've been down only. And now, A, I want my money back. And B, I'm wondering, did Kobe sell his accounts, Clemente? And like, what's happening here, Cobes?
Did you long the Kobe PFP? Is that what's going on?
I didn't. I'm just joking. But I was mentally longing it, and I was very bulled up in that moment.
At that moment,
yes.
You know, I was euphoric as well. I mean, yeah, Kobe changed PFP to the iconic, one from a few years ago, and here you go, thinking that Bitcoin's gonna, break through and go to 150K one candle, but no, the hard road keeps on keeping on. Although, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good, and the market is just it's just doing its thing. Anyways, I thought we were red when I woke up. Burgers, man. I'm telling you, it's America, man. It's not even Europe. It's not Asia. It's America. America is not holding their coins. America hasn't been hodling. Anyways, today on the show, what do we got? We got we'll chat markets, we'll chat news, we'll pick two winners. One lucky winner will be a subscriber to our Kick channel. We're going to start doing that every Friday. So every Friday, we're going to pick one person that is subbed to our Kick stream. So Degenz Live, kick.com/Degenz Live, and pick someone from there. And then also, we have an extra winner from one of the roles that we didn't do this week. That's just a regular way that we always pick. Just a lucky listeners that uses the code. And then last but not least, this show is powered by WalletConnect. WalletConnect is a connectivity network shaping the future of on-chain UX. If you've connected to Web3 app, you've seen WalletConnect. That blue logo is everywhere. An icon of trust in crypto is recognizable as Visa at checkout. Want to learn more? Follow WalletConnect on X and Telegram to stay ahead of what's next. But also Kraken Pro. With Kraken Pro, you get full control over your layout. Drag and drop any module, customize it all. It's clean, it's smooth, and built for real traders. If you trade crypto, check out pro.kraken.com. Trade without trade-offs. Tyler's go to you.
For daily NFT and crypto analysis. Tyler T on FOMO hour calls the kids can't miss.
Yeah, folks, crypto majors a little even, slightly red on the day. We got Bitcoin 118, 150, flat on the day. We've got ETH down 0.5%, 45.60. Sol down 1.5%, 191. So it's not that bad, but it's been another night where we pumped into the morning open and then sold off on the open. A couple pieces of macro news. It looks like Trump is on the plane to go meet Putin in Alaska today. So there's some big hopes around what might come from that. And then I saw record volume of options expire today, so expect some volatility around that as well. I'm sure Mando will have more when he joins us. In other crypto major headlines, the ETH ETF, 640 million in net inflows on Thursday. That's the fourth biggest day on record. For some perspective, over the last 5 sessions, 3.37 billion in the ETH ETFs, 965 million in the Bitcoin ETFs. So ETH ETFs up 3.1. They are absolutely dominating.
Wow.
Scott Bessett came out yesterday morning and said the U.S. would not buy Bitcoin for the strategic reserves, though he did kind of later walk back those comments, said the U.S. will find budget-neutral ways to acquire more Bitcoin. And then SEC Chair Paul Atkins went on Fox News this morning and doubled down on Trump's stated goal of making America the Bitcoin crypto capital of the world and said they're putting all their resources towards that goal. So not news, but still something you like to hear compared to where we were with Gary Gensler's SEC just a year ago. Citigroup considering offering crypto custody services focused on stables and Bitcoin and ETH. Google, this was notable, took an 8% stake in Bitcoin miner TeraWulf, which led to the TeraWulf stock soaring also just a day after their whole crypto wallet debacle.
Wow.
So I thought that was notable. Then we saw Denari Global announce the launch of Denari Financial Networks. They're looking to be an omni-chain order book and L1 network for tokenized equities, and they are launching on Avalanche. So good news for the AVAX crews. In corporate treasuries, SBET released its Q2 earnings this morning. I think they had their call right before our show. They hold 728,000 ETH, around a 1.3x MNAV, though the stock has been down only this morning. And then David Bailey's Nakamoto, they closed their merger with KindlyMD yesterday to launch their Bitcoin Treasury Co. $540 million already raised, $200 million to be raised as soon as today via convertible note offering. So they've got 7+ to buy Bitcoin. In token airdrop and protocol news, a couple big airdrop announcements. So YEET confirmed yesterday. YEET, 40% of its airdrop will go to the community. Hey, and someone's ears were burning right as I made that announcement. That's huge, 40%. So I think that perked up some folks' attention. And then Infinex also announced its season 1 airdrop from their YAP run, went live yesterday. We had OpenSea introduce a new live token activity feed as they continue to lean into token trading versus just NFT trading. Hyperliquid hit a new all-time high in daily volume and fees, 29 billion in volume, 7.7 million in daily fees. So Hyperliquid absolutely crushing it amidst crypto volatility. Then USD announced a 13.4 million Series A, led by High Framework to build the first stablecoin generating yield from AI hardware collateral. So an AI stablecoin, I thought that was notable.
AI stablecoin.
Memes were pretty red on the day. Useless is back to 330 million, up 20% after getting Binance perps. So it's looking like one of the big new dogs. A new launch pad called YEET debuted last night. They're doing a 100% buyback and burn of their token. So potentially one to watch. And then the NFTs, EtherRock sold for 135 ETH, $600,000 for an EtherRock. We are so back ahead of a potential NFT rally again this weekend. Yeah, that's the report.
Wow. There's still a lot going on with that EtherRock, huh? That's literally free, guys. I can't believe it. They're letting these EtherRocks go for 600 grand. Literally free, ladies and gentlemen. That's wild. Mando, good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. How are you?
We're vibing. We're surviving. We're chilling. We're just Fridaying, you know? Market's kind of boring. I'm not going to lie. Right?
Yeah. We're so over it. It's so back. It's so over. We're so back, even.
Yeah. It's just like...
I'm chilling a lot in Bitcoin right now, so which is not really moving. I'm chill.
I have a feeling this weekend's gonna be flat too. It's just like whatever. I don't know. Just doesn't give me. There's nothing inspiring going on right now. It's just that and same story.
Can we talk about this trend, Mando? I'm curious if you've noticed this. So when the tokens pump over the weekend, they're being sold off Monday morning to perhaps meet the CME where they previously closed.
Yeah,
we're seeing that on some overnights as well. So like when we see that the overnight pumps, then they're selling off in the first few hours or like right into the open.
It's interesting you say that. Like you sometimes see this a little bit. You used to see this a little bit already with Bitcoin. Remember, there's a CME gap. The CME gap. I think it would kind of make sense. Sometimes it happens in US equities, but I did like US equities will kind of trend back to where they were by the time you open. And any sort of morning move in Asia or Europe is often faded by the time the US opens, if you know what I mean. But I would be unsurprised if we see something like that in crypto too. Yeah.
Is the driver because there's just more volume in the traditional markets?
Yeah.
Which crypto didn't used to fall into that category, but now with the rise of the ETF volume, it seems like we more and more are. So it feels like a trend to be more aware of. At least
it's exactly what it is. It's like US guys, like huge volume, they go to bed and then they wake up and they go like, what have these guys been doing on low volume overnight? Like, how have you made the price there, guys? And they wake up and they go like, no, okay, this is where the price is. That's I'm not joking. That is genuinely the mentality of the US capital markets often to moves in European Asia hours.
So I wonder, like, is there a trade where you go long at at the 4 p.m. close, and then you close it and swing short if there's been a big move at like 7. This is something I've been watching as I've been doing more intraday trading, but it's interesting.
Yeah, I think we're going to see a lot. What did I see today? Was quiet, actually, pretty quiet.
So quiet. I don't know what's going. I mean, not much, right? The biggest news were kind of out of the TradFi.
Yeah, a bit of TradFi. Like this Nakamoto entity is not that big, right? Like they're going to buy like 500 to 700 million of Bitcoin. Okay, that seems kind of small. Hyperliquid nearly touched all-time high. It was looking good. Everyone's talking about this ETH staking queue, but this time I haven't seen how much is going to enter the staking queue this time. But yeah. Oh god, we got YEET. Why? We got Y's in the chat. Can we see the chat anymore? What we used to have that on screen, right? I used to like that.
No, Sims can bring it up, I think.
Yeah, I like it.
I like having it. There it is.
There we go. Y's in the chat. And altcoins, yeah, it was really just hype that was decent. I put out that tweet the other day, like, what do you think is going to be the best performer? And the winner out of Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, hype. Just to judge it, I put out on Wednesday night. The winner was ETH at 37%. Then people said Sol at 35%. Bitcoin was 15%. It's a big gap, and then hype was 11%. Wow. So
that surprises me.
If you go, I meme a lot, man. If you go to the 15th, sorry, or Wednesday, whatever it was. Sorry.
15th.
No, go down. It's not even. It's 15th today. Go down.
God, you tweet a lot, man.
There we go.
2,000 votes. Wow.
Yeah, I got a lot. My vote. If you'd done this poll a month ago, 2 months ago, I reckon people would have said Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Or they would have maybe said Sol. ETH is overtaken Sol there as the consensus trade, which I think is kind of interesting. And hype, to be clear, is a much smaller user base than the other three. So maybe it's like market cap adjusted is trading quite high. It's clear that Bitcoin's trading the market cap adjusted the lowest. But I think hype's had a bit of a sideways period here, and I'm definitely interested in it.
The numbers are just too big to ignore. And it feels like more and more folks are playing the game. And you mentioned yourself, man, that as we get to all-time highs, expect way more volatility, which is huge for perps platforms.
Yeah, exactly. Perps make money. You know this with JLP at these sort of times as well.
How's JLP trading?
It's all-time highs.
Whoa. Actually,
you just stayed in JLP the whole time, right? JLP
crazy, right?
Is at 5.3. Started the year at where did it start the year at? 4.3. So it's up 25% roughly this year.
Wow.
Which is kind of crazy because
right?
Solana is down a lot since January 1st. Jan 1st, Solana.
Why can't I see this here?
Was trading at 220. So Solana's down 15%. And JLP's up 25, which is kind of wild.
Man, what's the 1 year on JLP?
Here.
The 1 year is disgusting. But the
67%.
Yeah.
1 month is 10. Daily 7 days 4. It's not bad. It's a good coin.
It's a good coin, guys. I wouldn't like if you're looking to just like own something a bit chilled at this time. I don't think it's the worst thing because a lot of people are saying Solana could have a good Q4, and it makes money just like Hyperliquid does.
I should have gone back to JLP. I forgot it existed for a second.
Well, the yield is much lower, but that's why it's a chill coin. Right? Still 40%. how much stables? Maybe 45% stables, or 35%.
So check it out. Yeah.
Uh,
I completely forgot GLP existed for. Oops.
I forgot it did too. And I've been looking at some more conservative plays.
Yeah.
I like the play.
I completely forgot. And God, I had a metric lot of it for a second too. Where do you find it again? Yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is. Earn. There it is. So they're 46% SOL right now. 8% ETH, 13% WBTC, 31% USDC.
Yeah.
Oh, that's heavier.
What's the yield? What yield are they quoting?
What do you 29.71 APY?
Pretty nice, right?
Yeah. Wow. I can't believe I forgot this existed.
It's because of the volatility right now.
Yeah.
If you think it's going to pick up, it's a pretty good coin.
It is.
You're long SOL, right? That's the thing.
You're long SOL, but like I don't think that's it's not necessarily the worst thing to be long. You're also long like SOL volatility, with which.
Well, also there's 10% in Ethereum. Ethereum's been doing very well. So it's like, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, completely forgot about it. Like actually, like completely forgot. Wild.
I mean,
good coin.
I think SOL's an interesting long, anyways, with some speculation around Treasury Co's.
SOL looks good, boys. Like all my quants are talking about SOL. I'm just saying. It's been looking good though. Even though it dips, like it just keeps on printing higher lows and like higher highs.
SOL looks fine to me.
Yeah.
It looks to me that, like I've said several times, I think it's a coin that maybe early next year really runs.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a lot of talk about treasury companies in the next couple of months, big ones coming up. I think it probably still underperforms ETH. I don't know about Bitcoin, but I think it underperforms ETH. And but owning GLP, you own a bit of everything, and you have 30% yield. Like, if you could own majors at 30% yield, it's pretty fucking nice.
Yeah, it's fucking great, dude.
Anywhere like ETH staking gets you like 4%, Solana gets you 6%, and you don't really have to worry about plunge protection at any one time. Like.
Yeah.
I don't know what the biggest drop in GLP's ever been, but it's.
Well, it was after we had a pretty decent drop when the market tanked earlier. Yeah. Yeah. We had a pretty decent drop.
So
when,
it dropped 30% when SOL halved.
That's good.
More than halved, right? SOL went from. Did SOL get to 300?
Yeah,
it was like 70% drawdown.
So it went to 300, yeah, and then went to like 120 or
went to 90, didn't it?
Yeah, 90. Right here. This is the drop. It's here. This big drop. This one.
Still pretty good in that environment.
Yeah, it top ticked about 5. That's top tick. It was like 4.8 around when we were buying. It's like 4.2 actually we're buying here on the show. Last time we were really bull posting GLP was here. When I was buying it, it was here. We went all the way to 5.45-ish, then it went back down to like 3.2. So it never really went that low.
No.
Yeah.
It's a great coin. It's
it is.
In crypto.
It's a really good coin. That you know what? Wow. So for the people who haven't been listening to us for a long time, we used to talk about GLP a lot, and then we kind of forgot it existed. But
well, I purposely said, look, I'm moving out of. First, I said I was moving into Bitcoin. Then I was moving into ETH. And now I'm looking at it a little bit more again and being like,
GLPs. So, for those of you who don't know, it's what you call the rich man's coin. So that's what we call it on the show. So like when you have a big trade and you're feeling rich, just put into GLP, NFA DYOR, and just chill. Like after a big trade, genuinely, like if you feel like so that's something like for me, I always feel like I need to be in the market. It's like one of my biggest like problems. It's like a crackhead. And like when I had a really big trade, I put all my money in GLP, I didn't feel sidelined, but I still felt sidelined enough because it's 30% stables and the rest is ETH, Bitcoin, SOL, and you feel comfortable, right? So it's enough. And I know Solana is kind of very volatile, so you really have that edge. Like, okay, I'm in. You still get the kick.
I wish. So a hype version of this would be very interesting. It's like
yes. Is it HLP?
Hype does have a version.
It's HLP.
But I'm,
HLP. Yeah.
It's a much broader sense of assets in that. Much broader.
No, hype has it.
there's too many positions I'm looking at. There's 100 positions. Like I don't want that.
107?
Yeah, exactly. Because
No, I can't do
Jupiter
that.
perps, you can only trade Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana.
Where do you see HLP?
Go to the vaults. Up
Where's
top.
the vaults?
Up
Up top. Yeah. Hold on.
It's the first one.
1 second. I don't know what things forever to load. Here you go. All right, we got it.
It's that first one, first vault. Yeah.
Yeah, hyperliquidity provider.
Maybe that's
There
what
it
I'll
is.
do for the rest of the year. Just fucking chill again.
You
I was
should.
so chilled when I owned JLP. I just sat there and just like,
Yeah, it's 170. Dude, it's 20x Sol, 20x ENA, 20x Hype, 20x BTC, 20x ZRO, 20x Omni, Per, S, Pengu, Prompt, Mavia, IO. Oh, some of them are shorts, right? Like all the red ones here.
yeah, it's net
Mavia,
position.
Mina,
Basically
Blur,
takes the opposite-
Fartcoin. Dude, 170 positions in there. I can't. That's not chill.
I want 40% hype, 10% Bitcoin, 10% ETH, or whatever. Change the numbers a little bit. Throw some stables in there with the yield. Like that would be very interesting.
Well, you can follow people's vaults, right? Like you have the Sifu vault. Like you have people's vaults. It's like,
Yeah, but then
is it short? Is that short? I think it is.
that's no thanks.
Oh, look at that long hype and Bitcoin short garbage vault.
Well,
But his definition of garbage was ETH, dude.
yeah,
I know, and he was wrong. He was very wrong.
He was too broad with his definition of garbage, unfortunately. That's the thing I got.
I don't know. I really like. I think you're better off just having hype, like buying hype the coin. Like it's kind of their HLP because they're like buying it back with like their fees.
Mhm.
So you're not going to buy HLP. You may as well buy hype because they're buying the coin back, right? So that's the bet. And then it's probably like a JLP hype barbell. It's probably a good one if you're like cashed up.
Or JLP Fartcoin Barbell.
Yeah, actually, that's
You
my
had that
bags.
for a long time, right?
Fuck, dude, I've had this Farc. At this stage, I'm gonna have the Farcoin for a year, so I'm not gonna have to pay taxes on it. So I'm good. You know what? Like, that's actually not that bad, man. Though, when you think about it, the fact that I'm a proper community member, diamond holder,
Exactly.
I'm good after 12 months, boys. Like after 12 months, I'm zeroed out. So I don't mind it. Just saying.
I'm looking for capital gains myself. I think I bought in November, so it's not even that far off.
I don't know when I bought it. I've been having it for too long, and I was up a lot for a moment, but it's okay. Hot air shall rise. But yeah, that's like today's little bit of alpha is really that JLP conversation again, because that tends to be a really, really, really comfortable coin in times like this, especially if you think all the majors gonna rip and you want to like focus on your work. It's not a bad one. Anyways, so I think market-wise, it's kind of boring, nothing much. We should talk about Paul Atkins, Tyler, his comments this morning. Again, like just super bullish, and Scott Bessent as well. I know at first it came off as bearish, but it was a full 180 after that.
Yeah, so Bessent was speaking yesterday, and for some reason came out and said the U.S. is not going to buy any Bitcoin.
Didn't
exactly
already
what-
say that, though? I'm so confused about why people thought that was news.
I'm with you. I think perhaps that people got their hopes up, with the crypto report being published and Lummis putting the Bitcoin Act forward. And I think more so it was just kind of why did he come out and say it at that point in time? I think perhaps it was what some people were wondering about. But then he came out later and again softened it and said we'll go budget neutral to still find ways and make Bitcoin superpower of the world. So like it's a total nothing burger. It's all information that we already knew, but it's still, I guess, perhaps because August is a little bit slower, people are overreacting to it.
Yeah.
And then this morning, Paul Atkins came out again, things that we already knew, but it's nice to hear him say it. And he's saying that Trump wants the U.S. to be the crypto capital of the world, and we at the SEC are going to put basically all of our manpower behind it. So not even some. I mean, he basically made it seem like
all of it.
Very objective right now, to really help put the framework in place to put America in the driver's seat, which I think you got to be happy about.
This is so funny. Like Trump literally like said that like on the I love the crypto capital of the world comment because he said that at Bitcoin conference, and then when I interviewed him, he literally like doubled down on that. I know it because I pulled the clip back. I need to repost it. It's like we're gonna make America a crypto capital of the world. He's been saying that since like Bitcoin's 40K. And for some reason, and you have Paul Atkins coming on national television on Fox Business saying that again, and people want to call tops here. Hey, I don't know. I think a lot of people need to go on vacation. Like it's August. Like go on vacation now because September is gonna be busy. Like you should be working like 80-hour weeks in September. Go on vacation. A lot of you did not go on vacation. Go, go on vacation. A lot of you guys need to go to wherever you can afford and just chill for a bit. Because this is super bullish. He said the full manpower, Tyler. That's a big 180 from last year.
It's so big. And you just have the full green light to build and know that you have at least 3 years of runway, if not more, with pretty clear skies. And again, I feel like we will have made so much progress now. There will be so much capital in crypto that I'm starting to struggle to see how, even if like AOC is president in 2028, like how she would potentially even reverse that. I'm starting to, that path is even becoming much less clear to me. So a lot of progress clearly being made. And man, I don't know if maybe this is a quick seg, but I was looking at the strategic ETH reserve numbers today.
Yeah, I have it here.
The ETH reserve, the treasury codes effectively, plus the ETFs now hold 10.3 million. This is after SBET's up to 728. But it's more interesting. Go to that chart above. Faro can expand it.
Here?
One. So it's basically doubled since July.
They have another $20 billion to deploy, right?
So, I mean, that explains what we're seeing. So the chart is relatively flat, slow grind up there for most of this chart. And then it really starts moving basically mid-July, right? Which just kind of goes to show like this pace of accumulation. And again, I don't know how long this pace is sustainable for, but it is, again, arguably the most important trend in crypto right now is this curve. And there's no signs of it slowing down. I mean, Tom Lee's got the green light for 20 billion. He's only got 5 billion right now, or 20 billion more. And SharpLink is, I think they said on their earnings call, I haven't had a full chance to digest it yet. They said they're going to look for more ways to raise capital beyond just selling shares at the money, which I think shareholders would love at this point, given SBET is underperforming ETH here fairly substantially.
Yeah.
But that's always been one of the bull cases, right? Is the additional financial engineering tactics they have.
They have a lot of ETH.
They have a whole lot. I mean, 728,000 for SharpLink like is a mind-blowing number. If we didn't have Tom Lee and Bitmine ahead of them, like in a vacuum, you say that is an insane pace. Like, how did they pull that off?
It's really impressive.
Because MYRIAD was building the markets assuming like an 80,000 a week accumulation pace. I think they did 130,000 in the past week.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
This week I think will probably be a little slower. If they report again on Tuesday, I'm not sure that they will have put up another 80,000. So we'll see kind of how it evens out.
It's barely trading above NAV, right? So it's maybe even below a little bit, or like barely above. So, wow, the pool here, you have 72% yes. I mean, yeah, it's million by September 16th.
Yeah.
That looks pretty easy, honestly. Looks like that's quite achievable. Anyways, how's the rest of the market doing? And memes are kind of red. What else is going on?
I mean, useless. Just quickly on the memes, we got to talk about it. At least,
we have to.
There hasn't been a whole lot of action, but useless continues to grind up. When Bonk kind of fell out of the spotlight, it went down to 200 million. It's now ripped back to hit 330 this morning, which makes it, I think, by far the top meme of 2025. New meme.
Yeah.
Speak. And I'm trying to think what's even in that realm. Popcat's probably around this right now. Like, what's between useless and like Fartcoin on the Solana board? There's not a whole lot.
Whoa, what a comeback. It went up to 183 mil.
Yeah, so almost a 2x off the bottom there.
Wow. Coinbase listing too. Bond guy wins again.
One guy's sitting pretty on useless, and now the chart looks good. People probably again.
Has Filecoin been listed anywhere yet?
Well, it has Coinbase, right? But that's it.
Just
Coinbase. Does it have Coinbase?
Yeah.
I didn't realize it.
Has Coinbase, no Binance, no Robinhood.
There's some shit going on with Filecoin. There's someone must be farming this thing. I don't know what's going on, but where's SPX at? 1.4 bill still. Wow, I haven't looked at SPX in a long time.
It's weird. A little weird price action. I
Yeah.
think you would have expected it to perform better with this ETH rally, and it's not.
I mean,
It's
none of the
It's coming towards Q4, and that's when he said it's out, right?
Uh-oh. Is that what he said?
I thought so, right? Or did
He
he
did
not?
at some point. I'm out of the SPX trade. I wrote it. I got in around $1.10. So luckily, sold a good chunk around $1.80. I don't know. I haven't been loving this price action on it, and it's so expensive.
Yeah. What are punks at?
225.
So
No,
we're not doing our SPX targets anymore.
No, we're not. Dude, we're over them. He bought a second punk. Yeah, you bought a second punk, right? While I was away?
I did. Yeah.
Damn. Motherfucker's balling, bro. Mando, when are you buying a punk? Fuck.
Yeah.
Tyler bought a sick punk too, right? Like, is it like a wild, like, with a hairy like this?
Smoking wild blonde. Yeah.
No way, bro.
Nice match for.
Damn. Mando, our boy's spending 275 bands on a punk, dude. Sheesh.
Here's my. No, I felt underexposed to ETH, and for me, I would rather hold my ETH in a punk than just hold spot ETH. That's just me. I think it's more fun.
Interesting.
So it was basically as simple as that.
I love this. Look at the two punks. It's great. Look good together. Mando, you were supposed to tweet punks. What happened?
Yeah, I didn't in the end, did I? I've just been straight chilling.
It's so funny, this guy. I almost bought another one also the other day, Tyler, but I don't know. It's expensive, dude.
They are. I mean, it's definitely riskier up here, right? Especially given they're 80K or 100K.
Yeah.
The nice thing about two is I can sell a rip now. That was a good one.
Yeah. They're nice. The rest of the market is kind of like mad. There's nothing. What else is going on? I mean, you would know, but I don't know if there's too much happening.
Ether rocks are selling for $600.
Literally free, dude.
I mean, what's very relevant, right? So I think we got a comment that we should talk about airdrops and protocols a little bit more. So Infinex had its YAP1 airdrop go out. That's not tradable. So if you're casually following that, they're basically getting token rewards to people for yapping, but you can't sell them because the token's not live yet. So if you go check, the top 500 people got that. I got a little bit. Mando might have gotten a little bit as well. But the bigger airdrop news is the Y's in the chat. YEET 40%.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And what's interesting is like in these quiet times, like I don't know, I feel like people look for like where can they go farm? What are the farming opportunities?
Is that crazy though? 40%. Hey, KBM was just like, I want to say something with the airdrop, but we were like, so we may not just have one airdrop, right? So but it's just that we've made sure that at least 40% is that of the total supply will be going to the community. And we're looking at like even higher than that, but he just wanted to say something to like get people noticing that we even had an airdrop. We've had a lot of people be like, "Oh, you have an airdrop?" yeah, we do.
Yeah, people don't pay attention.
But I think some other sites have been quite low. Like I think Shuffle was like 28% or something like that. So we definitely want to do it better.
I mean, Pump hasn't even given an airdrop. They're at 0%. So. So anything above 0 is beating them right now. I mean, 40% is pretty good, right? I feel like recently the average has been closer to like 20 for a lot of these. I mean, kind of
for the community though, or do you mean like how much is released on day one?
Yeah, I mean, I guess there's a difference between day one and like forever allocations, but the way that these have been dragged out, like the day one much closer to like 10%, 5 to 10% lately.
Wow. I think that's the main thing. We're just trying to work out if we do successive airdrops or just one. And but I think it'll probably be successive. And how we want to reward, so like affiliates, we also want to reward as well. So like people, so if you're bringing on people to the site like FOMO, there'll be a slice for that as well, which I would still also call the community. But if you include that, it's also going to be hard now, for sure.
When is it?
Undisclosed time.
I'm just asking the right questions.
FOMO should hopefully do well. Like Wizard of Soho is obviously going to do well, so you can hear a lot about it on the timeline.
We're definitely going to do well.
But FOMO has got to be up there as one of the top affiliates. So
we're definitely going to do well.
Be affiliate, invite your friends. There's definitely going to be part of the token supplies is going to be going directly to affiliates.
Yeah, we're definitely up there. I'm pretty excited for it. We're going to pick 2 winners. So what's the code today, by the way? We got 2 winners coming on board. One for the code, one for what's the code today? That way we have.
How are we doing on Built for Big Moments?
Let's see.
The thing about this thing is that like it's just if one person just gambles overnight, it can really shift stuff. Like if Jay Colby has one person come through here,
not bad.
All right, we got a nice little lead there.
You guys got to gamble more.
But you do know also that it's not a you don't just go automatically through.
Yeah. It's a loaded dice roll.
We do a loaded dice roll weighted. So like this will be a whatever it is.
What?
80% or 75%.
Jersey upset on Wiz. That would be fantastic.
So Jersey does a 10% chance of going through. We basically weight a dice roll based on these volume figures.
The code today is YEET.
Wow. Really went out there with that one.
Give me a break, man. Come on.
You don't like the code?
Come on, it's summer. It's fucking summer, man.
It's fucking summer, man.
Don't bust my balls on a Friday in summer, man.
Yeah, don't bust his balls on Friday, bro. It's fucking summer. YEET is the code, YEET. One winner, and then the other one's going to be one of our subs for that. So reminder, kick.com/Degenz live. Subscribe to us to have a chance to win. Question for you guys. So what happened yesterday? Like, why? So why do we hate this guy? Because I want to hate him too, but I didn't get the story. I was going to bed and I saw that, and everybody was hating this Bags guy. Now I also want to come in and hate the guy. So why do we not like him?
Do you know what this app is?
No.
You know how this app works? I
have no idea what happened. I literally have no idea what happened to it, despite for the fact that he looks like Cali.
He looks like Cali. That's incredible.
Like, what is this all about? Like, what's this?
So Bags is the new hot app on Solana. And how it works is it's almost like an app to create homage coins. So like you can share your revenue with somebody else's X account without them choosing to. And what we've seen is, so for example,
why has no one done this with me? Fuck.
You might. Like there's no doubt in my mind you'll have Baroque coins if you go and like
one's probably.
Do I verify my X?
There was some light FUD earlier this week because Kook did like 50 of them and one of them was REKT. But like you can do it for anyone's. You can do it for anyone's account. So it's like people. I'm sure there's Mando coins on there. People are doing it for literally everyone. I think maybe there's like variations in what you can do in terms of exact ticker, but like you can create a coin without somebody else's permission, basically using their IP. So this became famous because the Nyan Cat, you know that guy?
Yeah.
A coin was created based on based on the Nyan Cat, and he took 50% of the rewards. They did it for Matt Fury as well, I think. There was a Matt Fury coin as well.
Pepe, it's Pepe.
It's a Pepe coin. And basically these creators just come on, they claim their coin, they dump it, and then they're gonna move on. Like you take 50% of the royalties.
Hold on. Let me see if I have money in there.
For your bags, basically, and then they get the royalties for it.
And so what happened with the founder? I didn't even know anything about this. And then yesterday night, people were like going crazy at the guy.
Well, there was a Mr. Beast coin on here, clearly, where he was getting 50% of the revenue. And it was something like he was meant to shill it. But anyway, people don't really like this app because in general, it creates coins which are just going to zero. Like there has been no long time runner flags app. Like there's just a ton of coins that just pump and then go to zero. People have generally kind of attributed this guy to the reason because he is, instead of trying to like lean into the winners, he's basically encouraging lots of people to create new coins, and it's not creating perhaps the best environment. But there's a Mr. Beast coin, and as he went on, I think it like dumped. I think he was maybe meant to mention it. He said he would.
Yes, apparently didn't mention it. Like,
and then it just dumped. So, but he's gonna go on twice or something.
What did he do wrong? Why is everybody mean with this guy? Like yesterday, there's like 50 tweets.
So he's been called out for like encouraging scammers to come on to the platform and release coins. Okay. So like he's just generally been seen as like a bit naive, and he has this sort of also background where apparently he like released NFTs or something like that. And if you type in this, there is a history to this guy. Basically.
It feels like Tyler's deep in this one. Tyler.
Yeah, I think Emmanuel explained it well. I was marked safe from this. Largely because like I'm just not really in the soul trenches right now. I think, but I don't know Finn's background. This situation, people like saw this Mr. Beast stream, clearly bid up this coin. They ran it up to 3 million in like an hour, and then they all expected Finn to shill it on the stream, which he got on the stream, which is like the hardest part of it to do. And then he didn't shill it, and then it went to zero, and they all got pissed, basically. So, and that's the are of what happened.
Yeah,
this feels like another day it's just another day in the trenches. I mean, this is the most likely outcome, and it happens every single day. But this time,
it sounds like just bag holders are mad.
Exactly. Yeah. Like I'm not mad about this.
But the pitch has basically been, this is the best way to onboard celebrities, like real celebrities. So all you have to do is log onto the app, claim their royalties. Right? All you have to do. So the idea is that Aiden Ross has a bunch of coins as well, and so does Mr. Beast. So his pitch was meant to be: log onto the app, collect your royalties. You have these coins already pre-made for you. And apparently he like didn't really do that, and the coins all just like dumped. So.
Okay.
But there may be a Farouk coin. I think there's like 10 Ansem coins. There's loads.
I don't think so.
You just make coins for other people.
Huh. Interesting. Okay.
People have said that this is an interesting concept. As
so how do you search a coin?
Slightly gets around some of the like, for example, we know Chill Guy had that whole like issue around it at the time.
Yeah. Where,
like, oh, he was pissed that you created a coin, all this sort of stuff.
Yeah.
There's a way from Origin to make sure, like, as long as they have an X account, that somebody else who owns the meme or is related to the meme benefits from the meme. So people can
do it. It's just like if it's not perfectly there yet.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. I was just curious because I was going to bed and people are just like going crazy. And
I love how you're on my time zone now as well, aren't you?
I know, right? it's just like I miss a lot of the things, but also in summer, like really happy to miss those things because they're kind of, I don't know.
You don't like being in the trenches?
Wait, he co-founded Degenz? No,
Maybe.
no, I don't think this is the same guy.
It's a different guy. Different guy.
No, different guy. Yeah. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's Degenz founder. No, it's not.
Finn Degenz is the guy working with Fred, isn't it?
Yeah, Finn Degenz is different. Interesting. Yeah, the trench. No, man, though, actually, at all. These trenches aren't even fun. Like, a 21 trench is fucking fun. What's up, Stims?
All the chat's going off saying it's definitely him.
Is
Like,
it?
all of our kick chat is just going, it's him.
It's
him,
Malcolm. It's Malcolm who did.
No, Malcolm's the one. Mac Degenz is the one working with Fred guy. Mac guy is cool.
Okay, so it's a Degenz guy.
No way.
Someone just typed this is 100% Finn Degenz.
No way, bro. That's so funny. Okay, so this is verified. Like, we're not.
I mean, we're going off a kick fucking chat, but there's a lot of people saying yes.
I am
Like,
shocked at how strong the trenches still are. Like, there's still like a big group of people.
Is
Trade-
it?
Yeah, like
Same people. Oh shit! When you search Finn Degenz, Finback's the first result.
it's just a different game, which is 30-second holds.
Yeah, we're down to 30 seconds now. Crazy. Huh. Anyways, okay. Well, I guess that's really it, guys. I think we should just give some money away, and then everybody should go enjoy the summer. Markets are dumping.
Yeah.
We're gonna have Fridays are red, dude. Fridays are always red, like every time. I'm so used to this now. Fridays are always red. I think you're better off just doing nothing. Markets are gonna suck for a while. Just use YEET this weekend and buy some rugs. Just a reminder, we also have a fucking fat airdrop to community coming. It's just written everywhere. I like to remind people sometimes too. It's fun. And I'm like, what? Like, yeah, dude. You guys should just be predicting, and using YEET. Anyways, let's give some money away. Let's pick some winner sims. Let's have some fun. I'm also tired, dude. Jesus, I need to sleep.
All right, let me bring this up.
Front Coin Friday. So we doing a coin race?
Coin race, baby. You know the vibes. We'll do 2 coin races. We'll do 2 different races, Tyler. If the winner's there, you can pick. If not,
Look at
we'll
that.
just pick points.
Look at that. People
What?
not putting any bets on. Getting
What do you mean?
excluded. 4 of you.
Shaking my head.
Right, first one.
But then we pick a sub, right?
I've already got one in the back that my son
Oh, you
kindly
did?
picked for
Okay.
us.
Probably nothing. With the 1. Congratulations. Probably nothing. You win some money.
His
You're
kick
gonna make
is
it.
probably nothing.
Probably nothing. If you're in the chat, you can already pick a coin outside from Farcoin. So Bitcoin, ETH,
My God.
Doge, Solana. Pick a coin. If you're in here, and if not, we'll just put it on for him.
Probably nothing.
but-
He's here. He's in there.
You
All
think
right,
it's
pick a coin.
Banks? Is Banks' alt that?
Let's not go down this road.
Pick a coin. Why the chat's going crazy today, man? Chill.
Oh, yeah, so we can get this coin here. So we're gonna do 250 on fart and 250 on something else for you.
And then we're giving him $500. I see him. Probably nothing. Pick a coin. I see him. And then the second one is a subscriber. So every Friday, reminder, we're gonna pick 1 subscriber to the Degenz Life Kick channel and give him some money.
Yeah. So as of next week, I've just been bombarded with work, but next week we'll have a proper picker in place
Okay.
so it can be done properly. And we can do it on screen. For now,
Okay.
I'm just getting my son to pick them randomly and stop it. Today he
Okay.
picked Delicia Max.
Is that your alt?
I mean, if it was, I'd make it easier to pronounce. Believe me.
Delika Max?
DELICAMAX.
All right,
will.
congratulations.
D-Licker Max. Is that what this
D-Lick. I think they have a K in it, right? Surely.
Delika?
He or she is in chat. Well, there is.
Really?
Yeah. He or she.
No
is.
way. So they can both pick a coin. All right. Did the other one pick a coin?
Who did the first one pick?
The chat stopped for me. I don't see
Yeah,
it.
the
Delhi
chat
is
always-
fine. He or she says Delhi is fine.
You know,
There
the
we go.
other one always stops. The chat when it goes crazy stops for us. I don't know why.
Where's probably nothing? Probably nothing. Which coin do you want?
Delika Max says BTC. Oh, probably nothing picked Sol. Perfect. So Delika Max goes second.
Mhm.
Probably nothing goes first with Sol and Farcoin. I like that.
Yeah, I like
Ooh.
I like that.
Ooh.
All right, I'm gonna go full screen, lads.
Have we got the sound on?
Can you hear it?
and get the bets in. All right. Yeah, we're not hearing it. 54x on Fark.
It's because of the fucking Firefox. Next time I'll bet
Fine.
on Chrome.
All right, relax.
We're
I
good.
can hear it.
Here we go.
Here we
Let's
go.
go.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Sol and Farcoin is fine. I like that.
All right, Fark's out to the lead.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck, we have
Ooh.
music for you guys.
Ooh.
Okay. We'll do Yeet on
Ooh.
Chrome next
Oh.
time.
Oh,
First.
oh,
Oh, here we go.
oh,
Oh,
oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh
Oh my God.
oh no.
oh my goodness.
I think that was the closest I've ever seen Fark to win.
What was the second one? Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Oh no.
Guys!
No.
Guys! Did you see that?
I just did the.
Farcoin was winning
cut the
until
wire.
last-
You gotta
Oh, yo, 86x on Farcoin.
Cut
It's
it, KBM. Cut it.
Cut it, KBM, cut it.
86x on this one.
Yo.
What's up? It's live.
Ooh. Okay. Second chance.
Oh.
We're live. We're live.
Oh,
Oh, Fark.
Oh, come on.
No.
All right, Bitcoin's still alive though.
Oh, it's a battle.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Sorry. Sorry.
Let's go.
We gotta win.
We won that one. 589.
Let's go.
Let's go. God, that was dirty. Yo, Mandel, that was dirty, bro. You did them dirty, bro. That was. I've never been so close to winning Farcoin since I've done this.
I don't think I've ever won Fox.
I've never won Farcoin.
Has it ever won in the history of the casino?
It wins relatively often, but never when I'm playing.
Sims did it twice on stream in a row.
Wow.
That was crazy. Well,
I've never won anything since. Just put it
exactly.
back.
So probably nothing makes $500, and the Lika Max made $1,089. Not bad. They won on Bitcoin, so love that. Quick question for the boys. We're Friday, so higher or lower on Monday?
I think we're going to have a very volatile weekend. That's my prediction. I think naturally on these sort of weekends, you had a bit of a shaky end to the week. Everyone's questioning already when it's over. It'll be a classic. Everyone freaks out, and then by Sunday night, nothing will have happened. So
higher.
I think higher. ETH is at 44. ETH's at 44.90. I think it's gonna be higher than that on Monday.
All right. I like that. Well, I'm gonna take the higher too because I'm incapable of staying lower. With that, we'll see you on Monday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the episode of FOMO Hour on Rug Radio. Let's go.